Tell me.
This guy knows
Better.
that machine.
Oh, okay. That's what I needed, yeah? Without machine. Alright.
Green primero. Siempre le pongo
And they already bought it DS, but they didn't say. I thought they're running the DS or not yet.
No, it's going to be delivered next week, probably.
Oh, okay. Because we're gonna pick it up next week.
It's an automatic loading. It's an NBC. So it automatically loads and offloads. It's about 54 feet long. We're going to put it in the room in the back. It does have air conditioner along with the transformer. The transformer makes sure that no matter.
But the air conditioning is supposed to be for this, yeah.
The reason they had it open is because they were vacuuming the inside. They were actually cleaning the machine. Is what they were doing.
Okay.
You're supposed to take those covers off and vacuum the inside of that cabinet about once.
I got it. But
About once a year.
But you gotta send me that tutorial how to run this machine because it's more, let's say, to cut it through. You have to cut it like a 2/10 of millimeter deeper, yeah?
Correct.
And later,
I usually do like a 2 millimeters.
2 millimeter deeper?
Yeah.
Or 2/10 of millimeter?
Yeah, man, once you're finished.
2/10 of millimeter.
Once you're finished, when the board begins to leak, then you slide cut it.
But when you're cutting this board, you guys just sanding or?
Well, technically, I usually just run the machine. Then at the end of the week, then I do fly cut to keep it flat.
Flat cut with tool, different tool, yeah? Big tool, something like that. Just to make smooth again. And you're changing 0 point probably, Z point probably after cut it.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to know, when you're changing tool in the magazine, how you telling machine where is that tool?
That's on the programming. Yeah.
Really? In the program?
I use third-party software, which is Cabinet Vision.
Oh.
So my software tells the machine, okay, use this bit for the do the quarter inch, and use this bit for the boreholes. So that's just software. I don't typically use the.
Oh, basically your job, you're just putting and press button.
Exactly.
Ah. I know it's M51 sometimes you have.
See here, basically, right now it's telling you that you have a tool number 2.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Slot number 2.
Okay.
But in case you don't have no tool, here's where you tell it plus or minus.
Okay.
And you're telling the machine which tool you're putting in.
Okay. Does the feed rate? Oh, it's not moving, or it's supposed to be moved?
Yeah, let me.
And that's the RPM.
Correct.
Okay.
But basically, for feed rate and RPM, that's basically on your tool holder, on your actual tool.
Right there.
this is the tool that it has right now. So here's where you set up the RPMs and speeds.
Okay, now
So in case you change the tool,
the password is the same. You have to put Xylox a year.
SEM, yeah, and they log in and help you with any issues.
Oh, okay.
So you still get support.
SCM, you're paying those support. They
Yeah,
go
here.
through the team viewer,
Yeah.
and they lock in the machine and they telling what to do
Yeah.
and why.
Yeah, you can do it. They just log in and help you.
Okay.
Yeah. And in case you bring the technician over, you notice it doesn't have safeties right now. But I think the safeties are on the box over there, where you can just install it in case you have a lot of workers.
Yeah, I know, but there is the safety. You said it's disconnected right now.
Yeah, it is. Because it should have something. Well,
But you have safety. You mean the laser?
This one doesn't have a laser. It has kind of like a little bracket.
Ah,
here.
yeah, bracket. Okay.
If it touches it, then it stops.
Yeah. But you don't have any mats, nothing.
Not on this machine.
Okay.
But all the equipment is over there on the back.
Okay.
And on this one, I never made it work because of my programming. But this one has a flipper arm.
Okay.
So whenever it's finished cutting the material, it will push it to the next table. So I had an old table right there that I
Okay.
never made it use. Was able to make it work.
And that's the 0-point pins, but you're never using those.
No.
No. And
So this one it is.
somebody cut it right now.
Those are the same.
Okay. But this one doesn't work, or you have to turn it on manually somehow.
No, I think I don't know when they were moving it.
The only thing that goes out on those things is the little contactor that's on the truck of every
Now
heating
it's
and
on.
air conditioning
Well,
system.
show me what you did.
The cable here was a little bit loose, so I
Ah.
just pushed it in and made it turn
Okay,
on.
and it start working, yeah? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the only thing that ever goes out on those things is the little contactor inside there. The standard stock item that every heating and air conditioning guy knows.
Did you have any problems with those electrical things? No?
Because they put that, when they run it, they put it back on there.
I know, but still.
The only thing that I suggest on this one, if you can get the rubber, that way the
Rubber gasket,
dust doesn't
yeah.
go in. That will help a lot.
Okay.
Also, when we ran a minute ago, we didn't have the dust collector on.
I see, yeah. I see.
It was not, it's not on.
Okay.
What do you think?
Now you just need to learn how to run this machine.
Of course, yeah. That's all I do. You turn on the machine, you do auto reference start. That's that, and you will see that it's gonna reference the machine to 0.0.
Okay, that's the calibrating machine, yeah?
Correct.
Okay.
Jog, in case you want to move the machine manually, left, right, up and down.
Okay.
All right. Then you only press on what axis you want to do, X, Y, or Z.
Okay. And press plus and minus were supposed to be moved. Okay.
Correct. Yes. I don't know what is that.
MDI.
Auto, you know
MDI.
that.
Could you press MDI? Doesn't
I
do
don't know what
anything.
I don't know that one. The only thing, this is the main one, which is execute. So in case you, let me show you here on the computer. I don't know if he did. So you use two softwares. One, Xilo, which is in case you create any program,
Okay.
you want to review the program, you open it and you can review it here.
Okay.
That's Xilo. And then we have this one, PGM. Whenever you have a program, it loads it into the PLC control.
Okay.
So if this is my program, you click on it and then you pass it to the right side, to the IS, whatever it is. Then here, you're ready to run the program. You download it. One is equals to OK, or you can press it. Run the program.
Okay.
Okay. Backup, reset, face up. I don't know about that. This is select or deselect this one. Select all in case you have multiple programs. Keep going. I don't know what row. Probably arrange it. Stop. Those are the pins. Back in 1 and 2.
Okay.
So you run in the
I
program.
know those. Yeah.
Okay. The noses. I don't know what is that. And clean. I typically.
What does that mean, clean? I saw you pressed it a couple times. That clean.
I don't know. The other guy told me to, whenever I run a program, I can just press it once and and I don't know why.
The last process.
Okay.
So this is here's where you're mainly gonna be here all the time. So downloading, turning back in, turn the backing off.
Okay.
Okay. Keep going. Next, here alarms. You know, in case you have any error, it will tell you here.
Oh, it says you.
Yeah.
Did you have a lot of issues with those alarms?
Not really.
Okay.
The main thing, you know, use it very often. Like you don't want to have the machine sitting for 3-4 months, and then when you want it to work perfectly fine, you know, after it gets a lot of dust in the system. So properties, see, I didn't use that many properties in case you want to change the language, units.
Yeah. But now it's run in millimeters, you said, yeah?
Right now it's in inches, I think, decimals.
Decimals.
Yeah. Tools, you know, in case you want to change tools. Right now it has 2. In case you want to set the tool in. Okay, next. Offset, I don't know what is that. And tooling, to be honest, I don't even know what it is.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, that's it. And the other thing, make sure I show you spool bore thickness.
Oh, that's where it is.
Yes.
Okay.
So right now it's
0.72. This is an inches, yeah?
Correct.
Okay. And you can change this one. You
Yeah.
changing? Can you press enter, or how you saving?
Yeah,
this?
correct. So you do 0.75 and
Enter.
and then you gotta reload the new program.
Oh, from new, because it's gonna be take that thickness.
Correct.
Okay.
And then enter again.
And then what? Oh, you're gonna go back because it's.
Pretty straightforward.
I see.
The table is a 5x12.
Okay.
And see, this is what I was telling you, but it may be because I didn't have the right software. This one comes down and it pushes the material.
Did those doors opening somehow to clean it or no?
Oh, this one goes up.
Oh, goes up.
Yeah.
Okay.
It goes up.
Because sometimes slides to the sides.
Yeah, this one goes up and then you take it out and then you put it back in.
Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Updating.
Yeah.
This here and this main switch, yeah?
Yeah.
And where? And there is the network is there, yeah?
Yeah, this is the one for the main connection with the data.
Okay.
Data connection.
Put it this tool in the magazine, okay? This goes with machine. Okay. Thanks.